Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor and today's video is going to be my morning cleaning routine as a stay-at-home mom. These are just things that I do every morning to help me keep the house in order and functioning well. Make sure you stay tuned at the end. I also show you guys what I got to put in my kids' Easter baskets.
Something about you I like, about you I like.
So first I want to get started in the kitchen, and I had an order of groceries that needed to be put away. I had actually gone to the grocery store this morning, which I don't do very often. I usually have the groceries delivered, but I was gifted a gift card to Publix for Christmas that I totally forgot about, so I decided to go into the grocery store and do all of my shopping. And I actually enjoyed it. It was very calm and easy. It's been a while since I've been able to go into the grocery store without kids. So let me know, like, do you all go into the grocery store or do you get groceries delivered? I am a Walmart Plus member, so I usually just order through Walmart and get the unlimited grocery deliveries year round. But lately I've kind of been thinking about canceling my membership and just switching back to going into the store. Especially since now Lincoln, my 2-year-old, is in daycare part-time. He only goes for a few hours a day, but those few hours that he's out of the house, it definitely frees up a lot of time for me to get things done around the house, and going to the grocery store is definitely something that I can do without having to worry about bringing him along with me now. So let me know, is it worth getting rid of my membership, or should I just keep it and continue getting my groceries delivered?
One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So I feel like this is my most important task of the day. It may seem minor, but I think it's a really big deal with helping keep the kitchen looking clean. That's so hard to say. Emptying the dishwasher. Every morning I empty the dishwasher. This makes it so much easier to not keep dishes in the sink. I don't know why this is such a tongue twister for me. But I basically empty the dishwasher every morning. This allows me to fill it throughout the day, and I run it at night before we go to bed. Now, if for some reason I do make something for lunch that does fill it up, or we're doing something throughout the day that the dishwasher does fill up before dinner, I will run it in the afternoon, empty it, and then reload it after dinner. This just helps keep the sink empty, helps keep the kitchen looking clean. It's super convenient. I love my dishwasher. If you guys have one, please love on your dishwasher.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars.
Once I'm done in the kitchen and I've wiped everything down, I'm going to move into our dining room area and our formal living. And I'm just going to put away anything that may have gotten left out last night after we went to bed, or anything that the boys pulled out that morning, and just any mess from eating breakfast that morning. I really just like to try and make sure I clean up right after breakfast, just right away, so it doesn't sit all day. I feel like cleaning up in the morning right after the boys leaves definitely makes any task that I'm doing throughout the day a lot easier, knowing that the house is already clean. I've definitely learned as a stay-at-home mom, like, preparation is the key to getting anything done. So I usually spend the rest of my day prepping things for dinner, for the next day, whatever we have going on. So I like to just go ahead and start my morning off with cleaning up so that I can have a fresh slate to work with as I'm working throughout the house for the day.
Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind.
So now we are moving into my boys' bathroom, and this is the area I feel like I clean up almost as much as I clean in the kitchen. Like, I try to go in here every day and just wipe down the kitchen, not the kitchen counter, the bathroom counter. My 7-year-old, he gets himself ready in the morning, so he brushes his teeth, and there's usually toothpaste everywhere. And I also like to just give the toilet a quick wipe down for any messes that may have happened that morning or the night before that I didn't get a chance to clean up. And if you just noticed, I accidentally dropped a disinfecting wipe in the toilet. I did reach in with my bare hand and pull it out. I did go wash my hands right after, but the homeowner in me, I just could not risk flushing the toilet. I don't know, I'm terrified of like flushing the wrong thing down the toilet and it coming back to bite me later.
Days left in despair, air is getting heavier.
And now we are in my bedroom, and I'm just going to tidy up really quickly and make up my bed. I would love to make up my bed like first thing in the morning when I wake up, but I don't live alone. I always see posts that say like, you should make up your bed as soon as you get up in the morning. But my husband works from home, and I usually get up first. I'm up at about 5:30 a.m. and moving around the house at about 6 a.m. and my husband gets up a little bit later. So I usually make up the bed once he's like up and out of the bed. And I also fold up our pajamas and tuck them under our pillows, so this way we can re-wear them. I am having so many tongue twisters today. We can re-wear them the next day without having to like look for our pajamas or figure out where we put them or what we wore the night before if we put them back in the drawer. This is just something that my mom taught me growing up. It was a really easy way to keep up with your pajamas and not like have to wear a new pair every night. And I also make up my son's bed. He's 7 and my younger son is 2, so my 2-year-old doesn't make up his bed at all. But my 7-year-old, he does make up his bed sometimes. If he wakes up early enough, I don't bother him about it all the time because his version of making it up is not that great anyway, but I do like to help him be independent and get it done himself.
Oh, yeah. Listen to the midnight.
Okay, so I wanted to just give you guys a quick look at the stuff that I got my kids for Easter. I did a really big Easter haul, and I know it looks like a lot because it kind of is a lot. So I don't buy my kids Easter baskets. I kind of just make them, and I usually do a theme. And for this theme, I did like summer water play. So I do spend a little bit more on Easter, but because for me it's not just about Easter. So like I picked up this $20 blow up pool at Target, and I'm gonna show you guys a better look at it. But I got this $20 blow up pool at Target. I thought that was really cute, and it will be something really fun for them to do in the backyard that will last us from spring all the way into the summer. And for us, like whenever we're trying to save money and just over springtime or summertime when the kids are home and they're bored, instead of like going somewhere, I can just pull that out because my boys are still young enough that they like at home activities like that. So I just got them some more items to put in their Easter basket. So I'll show you the baskets that I got them. These were on sale at Target. They're normally $5. I think I got it for $3.50. And I thought these were just like really cute and easy Easter baskets. In the previous years, I would try to keep their Easter baskets every year and just try and keep up with them. And I had bought Jackson, my older son, a really nice Easter basket, and I kept it for about 3 years and it got damaged. So ever since then, I've kind of just gone a little bit cheapy. They can play with this throughout the year. They can take it to their grandparents' house. Like if it gets lost or damaged, I won't mind. So I'll show you guys some of the other stuff. I got this out of the Target dollar spot. It was $3 and it's just like a whole water bottle. I got these egg chalks that I thought were really cool. I got one for each of them just because right now like Lincoln is at the age where he wants whatever his older brother Jackson has. So lately I've just been having to get 2 of everything because if Jackson touches it, Lincoln wants it immediately. I got some eggs that I could stuff. These were $1 each. And I got bags of grass. These were 50 cents each. And I just like to use these. I put a little bit in the basket, but I usually, because a lot of the things that I get them, they don't fit in the Easter basket. So I usually will just put this on the table and kind of do a whole little Easter setup. I got some of these robin eggs, which I like a lot. I actually like these more for myself, but I am going to use them for decoration for the boys. I got socks while I was there, but those are just Lincoln needs some new socks. I got keeps for decorations, but the boys will also like eat these on Easter. And I got these just to kind of put in there baskets like that, like for decor. I thought it was really cute. We're also going to be spending time with family on Easter, so I like to have like enough candy for other kids. I just feel like, I don't know, Easter, kids eat candy all day in between eating food. So I got 2 of these for each boy, and I got these cute little lollipop eggs from Target. I try not to go too crazy with like the Easter themed stuff because I feel like it's a little bit more expensive than it should be, but I do like for my setup to look like Easter. I got another water bottle from Lincoln. Again, that's from the Target dollar spot. I got these at Sam's Club. They are pre-filled Easter eggs. I got those for Lincoln. He goes to daycare part-time now, just for a couple hours a day. I'm actually looking at the time right now because as soon as I finish recording this, I'm gonna go pick him up. I got water balloons for whenever we do like water play. I definitely think these will be really fun to have. And I also got bubbles because we always need bubbles here. I usually have a really big bottle of bubbles, but I decided to switch to this size, the smaller size, because Lincoln is just feeling really independent lately and he kind of wants to do things on his own. So I was thinking with these, if he holds it and spills it, it'll be okay. So that will be going in their Easter basket. I also got the Easter themed Funfetti cake mix and frosting because every holiday I do like to do baking with the boys. It's just something fun, and we'll usually make cupcakes and I'll let them decorate the cupcakes themselves. And to go with their swim stuff, I did get them some swim clothes for the year. So like every year I buy them 1 to 2 sets of swim clothes just to have over the summer. I try to buy them when they are on sale. Target did have all swim stuff on sale, 30% off. But I actually got these at Sam's Club for $15.98 each. It actually turned out cheaper for me to buy it from there as a set. So I got these for Lincoln and these for Jackson. So they will have their swim clothes that will last them until next year when they go up a size. Also, I got books. We love books here, especially Lincoln right now. He's like very into books. And Target had all of their Easter books. I don't know if it's all books or if it's their Easter books, were buy one get one half off. And these books, I don't know if you can tell how big they are. I just thought these were so cool. These are exclusively at Target. They were $5 each, but because they had the books, I don't know if it's buy one get one half off or if it's buy two. Okay, maybe it's buy one get one half off. For each of these, it came up to $3.75 for each book. So I thought that was a really good deal, and they're pretty sturdy books, so Lincoln won't destroy them right away. And I also got 2 little books that were Easter themed. We love, if you guys know Don't Push the Button, we love Don't Push the Button. And Target had an Easter version of Don't Push the Button, an Easter surprise. So I'm really excited for the boys to see that. And they also had an Easter version book of Pete the Cat. We love Pete the Cat here too. So they're going to be really excited about those books. And then I bought the $20 pool at Target first because I looked at a lot of their water toys and like pools, and some of them I felt like were too expensive for what we need. Like I just needed something, a simple blow up. I don't need a huge pool, just something that the boys can kind of splash around in. And they had more expensive ones that I just didn't think was worth it. But I went into Sam's Club and they had this huge fire hydrant that sprays water, and it was $29. And I'm still debating if I'm going to decide between one or the other, or if I'm going to keep both. I have not decided yet. I will let you guys know what I decide, because I don't like to buy too much water stuff because it doesn't last very long. We live in South Florida, so we can't really store it outside. It rains a lot here and the sun damages a lot here, and our backyard is very big and very grassy. There's trees back there, so we would have like leaves and everything. So keeping things clean and storage is a big deal. So I have to figure out if we're gonna keep both of these. You guys let me know. Would you keep both or pick one? And if you would pick one, let me know which one you would pick, please. I need help. But those are the items that I got my boys for Easter. I'll be sure to post pictures so that you guys can see what our Easter setup looked like. And also let me know in the comments, what did you get your kids for Easter, and have you talked to your kids about the meaning of Easter? I feel like that's something that's very important. I know a lot of times we go all crazy getting them dressed up really cute on Easter and making sure they have their Easter baskets and all the fun. But I just think it's really important that we talk to them about what Easter is about and who Jesus is and what his resurrection means. But I'm hoping that you all have a wonderful Easter, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!